Hey guys, we're in Bangkok, Thailand.
Today we're going to take a full day tour by Klook to visit the Maeklong Railway Market and the Amphawa Floating Market.
Let's go!
Let's go!
It's quite an experience. It's so cute!
So much food everywhere. Oh, the place just transformed into a fairy tale market. The meeting point is around 10:45 at Siam Paragon. We just got our stickers and registered. It's very easy to find the booth. It's just underneath the BTS station or at Gate 1 at Siam Paragon. This is actually our first time going to one of the bigger floating markets in Bangkok, and this is one of the two biggest ones that is famous around Bangkok.
By the way, it is about 1.5 hours outside of Bangkok city, so taking the taxi might not be a good option.
There are other ways, but the reason why we chose this tour is because it's the most convenient and we did two sites at one go. The bus has free seating, and after a quick introduction, our guide gave us an overview of what to expect, including recommendations on activities and food. It's been 1 hour journey so far. We have stopped by a gas station. There's a 10-minute toilet break. The whole journey was really entertaining. We didn't even fall asleep. The tour guide was telling us stories and giving us lots and lots of information. Very interesting. It was just entertaining all the way. Back in the bus, our guide introduced us to some interesting locally made snacks that we can buy back as souvenirs.
Right, we're at the train market. It's so cute. So many shops I want to go into. Oh, waiting for the train at 2:30. We're gonna go walk around. We were given 3 hours to spend here. Let's go. Nice.
The entire market is along the railway tracks, and the railway track itself is the walkway, and both sides are all the shops. So interesting.
One good thing is with all the umbrellas, it's kind of shaded in here, so it's not overly hot, but you can get heat stroke, so do be careful of that. So it's about 300 meters long. It's about 10 minutes to walk to the other end. We're gonna find something to eat first before we start shopping. Before I start shopping.
We're here! The Maeklong station. We made it. There's lots of restaurants behind us, and we are starving. We haven't had lunch yet. Alright, what to eat? So many choices. Alright, we're gonna take a break. Our lunch is here. I ordered myself a prawn fried rice. Take a look.
Oh, it's cold. Take a sip. It's cold and sweet. It's perfect. I've ordered tom yum goong, which is the prawn tom yum. I'm surprised how much ingredient there is in there. It's so good. I had to add my own chili because it's not spicy enough. But overall, very delicious tom yum. This coconut bowl itself is not very deep, so I'm about to finish my soup. It's just not enough.
Alright, so we just had lunch. Now we are ready to explore the market some more. The train is going to be coming in half an hour's time. We're going to get ready for that too.
มีเมโก้ได้ค่ะ
Coca-Cola
ขอบคุณนะคะ thank you
ขอบคุณครับ
very good
Popsicles Coke and mango Perfect for a hot day
As always, be aware, standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line. Police, wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday.
That's the announcement.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go back to more shopping and maybe more food to eat. So cute.
Now we're going to have some mango sticky rice.
This mango sticky rice spot is actually one of our guide's recommendations. She told us that the restaurant serves one of the best mangoes, and honestly, we have to agree, it's really good. And to go along with the mango sticky rice, we ordered a coconut smoothie. It's very refreshing, especially on a hot afternoon. Train is coming again. It's the second round. It's the same train, but it's going back the other way.
Exciting. The second time was definitely much closer to me. It's a little scary when it's a bit close.
Like this red line, and you get a photo.
Stand behind the red lines.
We're done here at the Maeklong Railway Market. We'll be moving to the Amphawa Floating Market. Right, going back to bus. 4 o'clock on the dot. We made it.
Heading to the Amphawa Floating Market.
Oh, there's so much food around.
It's not even the floating market yet.
It really feels like a night market. Yeah, we just arrived at the Amphawa Floating Market. It's going to be both sides of this canal is the market. There are a couple of bridges and lots of food. You can smell it from the outside already.
It's gonna cross the bridge first. The iconic bridge. I thought it was just a cross. There's more things here. I'm gonna check it out.
Notice there's a lot of this fish in this market. They even sell souvenirs that resemble this fish. Apparently it's one of the iconic things that you can get here in the Amphawa market, and only here.
Is this magnet? Yeah, it's magnet.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Across the canal, and on this side feels a little bit more happening, a more traditional style of shops, and we can notice from across there's a lot of food here. I think I like the vibes on this side more.
At some part there's no railings, so I'm kind of scared of falling off. I'm gonna stick to the inside. Ooh, cheese scallop.
So much food everywhere. I noticed there's a lot of pickled dried fruits over here. There's also lots and lots of sweet stuff, and they are egg custard. They're like so almost everywhere.
We're sitting by the canal, having some food, lots of noises.
Both sides in front of us. Most of our food is actually cooked from the boat itself, and I have a nice cold beer, some scallops, some pork noodles, and there's more coming. We also got some lapao, which is the
Salted grilled fish.
This is the barramundi fish, and you can see that they've already peeled open the skin. The skin is not edible because it's like full of salt crust on it. This is nice. It's like a sunset by the water. Love this environment. This atmosphere is very unique. Cheers. Oh, so good.
gonna go with the noodles first. Looks good. More chili. Just. It's definitely a dish that goes with chili. So good.
Oh yeah. Authentic boat noodles from the boat itself.
It looks nice and plump. Dip in the sauce. We ordered the original flavor. Oh, scallop is just so fresh. Together with the chili, oh, it adds the kick of spice and a little bit of lime. So good. Wow, look at the fish. It's 250 baht for this fish. Oh, look at the meat. It's a huge nugget of fish. Oh, so good. Meat is fresh and sweet. Like, still has this natural sweetness. Really beautifully grilled and nicely seasoned too. Get some coconut ice cream. Comes with a coconut shell. Oh, so cute. Alright, we got our coconut ice cream, but we're kind of late, so gotta walk. Oh, it's lit up. The lights are lit up. So cute.
We're still pretty much on time.
Yeah, we're not late. We're 7 minutes early.
And we have something to accompany us while we wait. Coconut flesh, ice cream, peanuts. Also, this is a perfect dessert after that dinner. Sun is setting. We're going to go take a boat ride and go see some fireflies later. We're gonna have dessert first.
We're gonna go see the fireflies. Time for some sightseeing.
The luxury shopping mall 200 years ago.
The first part of our boat tour, we are going beyond the floating market, witnessing the local lifestyle and the beautifully built traditional Thai houses along the canal. It really has this peaceful, slow-paced kind of vibe. And check out these homestays. This is actually perfect if you're looking for a quick escape not too far away from Bangkok city. The sun is setting now, it's golden hour, and oh, the place just transformed into a fairy tale market.
Floating market is lit up now. So pretty.
The Firefly area is about a 20-minute boat ride away from the floating market. Believe it or not, this is actually my first time seeing fireflies. And this is the actual unedited footage from our cameras. Well, of course it's gonna be a lot better in real life. But we were actually fortunate to witness the fireflies. We were told that it wasn't quite the firefly season yet. Usually they'll be more active during the rainy season from May to October.
See that?
Right, we're back at the floating market. It was so nice.
We did get to see something from our eyes, but not sure if our camera captured it.
That was so fun.
That was definitely a nice experience. Now we're gonna head back to Siam Paragon, where we came from. I like how the floating market lights up at night. It's so pretty.
It's like a 2-in-1, a night market and a floating market. Alright, so that's our trip. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
We need to cross.